All right,
Go.
let's just go. Come on, let's go.
Ready?
Yeah, I got that white hat.
Get this door here.
That was the metal flooring.
You got stairs right here.
You got up high?
Yeah. You ready to push up?
Hold this door, hold this door, hold this door.
Open that door now. Come across.
Hey, I'm holding that top. Hey, give us another unit over here.
Hey, Gilson, we gotta start pushing up. Let's go. Hey, you need long cover.
Sarge, come over to here. Sarge.
You need a rifle up here.
Sarge, move.
Rifle, right here. Over that door, top floor.
Hey, get behind that engine block over there. Hey, behind that engine block. Hold that door. Yep, let's move. Yeah, I got a rifle. You want me to go front?
You go first, you go first. Let him go through, let him go through. So on our radio, we're getting more south side.
All right, we're good. We got to take this smart. Hey, we need access to these doors.
Hey, we just heard another fire shot down here.
Hey, get your hands up!
Hey,
All right, hands on your head.
find out, turn around.
Everybody stand by.
Keep that door. Back up.
What do you got?
I'm a supervisor. I was just speaking communication.
Okay, come back.
Are you able to open that door for us?
I am, sir.
Okay.
Give me your key card.
Where's your key card at?
Come behind me.
Absolutely, Commander.
We'll take it. Okay. This slides. This goes down everyone. Go down there.
We need a key
I got
card.
the key. I have it. I'm gonna push up. You got it.
Okay, this door.
Oh, this one's already open. I'll hold it close. You wanna go in there?
Stand by, slow down.
I'll swing it over for you guys, alright? I'm gonna swing it up. You ready?
Yeah. I'm clear right. Come with me.
It's not clear, not clear. Hold left. Hold it. We'll hold left.
Okay, I'm clear right. Guys, push up. Hey, we need that key card over here, bro.
Alright, I'm pushing back to you guys, okay?
Yep.
Which one you need? Door right behind us. We get stimulus. Third floor.
Conference room. Okay, I got somebody down in front of
We
me.
got somebody there.
1, 3.
10, 5, 6, maybe. Let me see your hands.
Hold right.
Hold on.
We got that stairwell.
Sheriff's office.
I need you holding this.
Yep.
Okay, he's in here.
Hold left. Watch his hand. Be careful. Watch his hands.
Hold that stairwell.
Stairwell.
Hold that stairwell.
Top side's clear.
Okay, you hold this.
Oh, the gun. I see the gun in his hand right there.
Okay, stand by. Let's just clear it off. Hold this, cover me.
I'm gonna hold on the body of the gun. You hold right on the phone.
All right.